Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home, and look what I got, some happy mail from the Stamps of Life. It's my monthly card kit, and I've had it for a little bit. I'm only now getting the chance to open it, but let's see what our kit includes this month. Ooh, look at these. So we got some little starfish looking embellishments. They're like little resin pieces that are sparkly. Oh, look at how beautiful those are. Like those. Those are cute to add to shakers. So cute. So we got that. And all of this coordinates. We got some enamel dots in some pretty colors. Let me move the box on the side maybe, and then I'll put them over here. We also got What a Day. That's the name of this kit, I believe, is What a Day. Yes, that's the name of this month's kit. So this is the word die we get. These are free gifts. I'll go over these after. And then some puffy stickers. How's these slippers? Cute. And of course they all coordinate. And then we also got a sentiment. Oh, I love that this is big. I love these big sentiments. Sent with love, your friendship is everything to me. Celebrate everything with a thankful heart. Ooh, I like that. I like the size of those sentiments. And then, of course, you get an inspiration card. Gives you ideas. And we also got 3 coordinating ribbon. And, you know, these two the same size. This is a different size. So awesome for that. And then we got another die. How cute. It's like this lace border. I don't know what to call it. Loopy border. That's what it's called. Loopy border. How cool. We got 2 dies, a stamp set, some embellishment, some ribbon, and paper. And that's usually what comes in the kit. You get a paper pad 6x6 with all this lovely 2-sided paper. And if you saw my earlier Stamps of Life video on my Die Hard Club kit I received, the dies will cut out these floaties that and usually can cut out the images on whatever the paper pad is for the monthly club. So summary. And then you also get this lovely pocket. It says the Stamps of Life. Of course, it can carry your 8.5 by 11 papers. Okay, ran out. So within these nice pockets, you get some envelopes for A2 size card, as well as, like I said, all this paper. And I love these because as I work on the collection, I just put them all back in this envelope. So everything that I have coordinating is right in this handy dandy envelope. And so you do get 4 of the white, which I believe is called powder sugar. I'm not good at the names of these papers. And then you get 8 of this other cardstock that matches very well with the paper pad, the embellishments, the ribbon. So all of that you get in your club kit. Yeah, so how exciting. Fun, fun. Yep, and so all of this is from the Stamps of Life. If you're interested, you have questions, comment below. I will answer as best I can. But yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, did I talk about the free gifts? I also got free gifts. And because I am a Gold Club member, which means I get the Stamp Club, the Die Club, and the Card Kit Club, you now until the end of the month, they are giving 2 dies in each club kit. Every month, 2 dies. And they're not like, they're like nice size dies. Look, this is like the eggs and bacon, I think. And then some of these star ones. I've gotten some, this might be the 3rd month that I've received free dies in my club kit. So yeah, thank you so much, Ken and Stephanie. Love it, love it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more videos like these and other craft projects and Disney life, go ahead and click the subscribe button and follow me on this journey. And for more videos here, like and subscribe. Till the next video, shakas.